Have you ever wondered if there's a bank that truly cares about its customers? One that doesn't nickel and dime you with hidden fees? A bank that's actually easy to use? Well, today, we're diving into the world of Tangerine, a Canadian bank that's making waves with its unique approach to banking. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's address the elephant in the room. Tangerine is a Canadian bank. So, if you're not a Canadian resident, you might be wondering why you should even care. Well, the answer is simple. Tangerine's innovative approach to banking has caught the attention of people worldwide. Their online-only model, coupled with their commitment to customer satisfaction, has made them a force to be reckoned with. Tangerine's unique selling points. Online-only banking. Tangerine is a completely online bank, meaning there are no physical branches. This might seem like a drawback to some, but it actually offers several advantages. For starters, it eliminates the need for overhead costs, which means Tangerine can pass the savings on to its customers in the form of higher interest rates and lower fees. Additionally, online banking is incredibly convenient. You can access your accounts 24/7 from anywhere with an internet connection. No monthly fees. One of the most attractive features of Tangerine is that they don't charge any monthly fees. This is a huge deal, especially when you consider that many traditional banks charge hefty monthly fees, even for basic checking and savings accounts. With Tangerine, you can keep more of your hard-earned money. High interest rates. Tangerine is known for offering competitive interest rates on its savings and investment products. This is great news for anyone looking to grow their money. Whether you're saving for a down payment on a house or building an emergency fund, Tangerine can help you reach your financial goals. Excellent customer service. Tangerine has a reputation for providing excellent customer service. Their website is easy to navigate, and their customer support team is always available to answer your questions. If you have a problem, you can rest assured that Tangerine will do everything in their power to resolve it quickly and efficiently. Addressing potential concerns. Now, while Tangerine offers many benefits, it's important to note that it's not perfect. One potential drawback is that you can't deposit cash or checks directly into your Tangerine account. You'll need to use a Tangerine money-back credit card or a Tangerine checking account to deposit funds. Additionally, while Tangerine offers a wide range of financial products, it might not have as many options as a traditional bank. So, is Tangerine a good bank? Well, that depends on your individual needs and preferences. If you're looking for a convenient, online-only bank with competitive interest rates and no monthly fees, Tangerine is definitely worth considering. However, if you need to deposit cash or checks frequently or require a wide range of banking services, a traditional bank might be a better fit. With that said, Tangerine has proven itself to be a reliable and customer-friendly bank. Its innovative approach to banking has made it a popular choice for people who value convenience, affordability, and excellent customer service. So, if you're tired of dealing with the hassles of traditional banking, Tangerine might just be the perfect solution for you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.